Welcome to First Gen Diesel. It's First Gen Friday. Well guys, we are getting closer and closer to finishing the chassis and the drive chain on this truck. I mentioned in my last Building Old Bessie episode that I was having an issue with the seal on the back here. You can see I've got everything put back together. I wanted to show you something. I kind of left you guys hanging. I told you that I found a seal that worked, and I showed you how tight it fit on the axle, but I wasn't sure if it fit in the hub of the wheel yet, so I didn't tell you the part number. If you go to Napa or O'Reilly's or something, they're going to give you this part number. It's 30033. This does not fit on that truck. Now it may fit on some other trucks, but it doesn't fit on this truck. So the part number I did get that fit really good is this. WS4171158, and I found that on eBay. I bought 2 of them for 10 bucks. I think that's a pretty good deal. Also forgot to mention the wheel polish. I looked for this stuff everywhere. What it is a Meguiar's motorcycle all metal polish, and there's a couple of different reasons I like this. For one, it polishes metal so much faster than any other metal polish that I've ever used. 2, it does not stink like a harsh chemical. This actually smells like candy. It smells really good. So I highly recommend this Meguiar's all metal polish. Really good stuff. And you can see how shiny it is there. What I have planned for today is we are going to be replacing the differential covers, front and rear. Let me show you a little sneak peek of what I got here. Alright, so this is the differential covers I got. These are very nice quality, very thick flanges, and it has a drain and a fill. I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of off-roading or anything like that. But I do like to go fast sometimes, which will heat up your differentials, and these fins and aluminum transfer heat pretty well. And these differential covers also came with hex head bolts. Now that you've seen the goods, let's get to it. Well, I'm almost done with the chassis. I still need to put the drive shafts in, this front sway bar, and I'm still waiting for my rough stuff crossover steering. I talked to them on the phone this morning. I've already been waiting a month, and they told me it's going to be 2 more weeks before they get the part in that's back ordered. So the next few videos may be of Gala, or I may do an interview of my own trucks. I'll let you guys know all the mods and everything that's been done to them. But for now, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Building Old Betsy, and we'll see you next week right here on First Gen Diesel. Look at that ass.